Have you been sued by National Collegiate Student Loan Trust for defaulting on your private student loans? If so, you might be confused about how they now own your debt and what you can do. First, what is National Collegiate Student Loan Trust? I'm going to refer to them as NCT for this video. NCT is an entity that purchases private student loan debt. Once a student loan borrower cannot pay the loan anymore, then the debt goes into default. NCT then purchases that defaulted debt at a discounted rate from the lender or bank who issued the original loan. Although NCT denies being a debt collector, it actually is according to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, which defines a debt collector as a person or company who collects debts from others. The fact that NCT buys delinquent debt and then goes after the borrower for repayment qualifies them as a debt collector. If you're asking yourself now whether NCT can actually sue you if they didn't get your original loan, the answer is yes. If NCT bought your defaulted debt from the bank or creditors who you originally obtained the loan from, then they can now sue you for that debt and have a legal right to collect on it. If you do not pay the debt, they can file a lawsuit against you to collect on that debt. If you ignore a lawsuit filed against you by NCT, then they will use their vast resources to go after you for the debt. They can garnish your wages, file liens against your property, or even seize the funds in your bank account with a bank levy. The good news is you can fight back. I would first highly recommend hiring an attorney that focuses exclusively on debt relief. NCT has the resources at its fingertips to facilitate their lawsuits against thousands of borrowers. You should have someone with experience in this complicated process on your side to be your advocate. An experienced debt relief attorney will first make sure that NCT has filed a valid lawsuit against you. They can make NCT prove that you, the borrower, in fact took out the loan, that NCT actually owns the loan and the right to collect on it, and that the amount of money that NCT claims that you owe is in fact due. If NCT cannot prove these facts, then your attorney could possibly have their lawsuit dismissed. If the lawsuit is valid, then your attorney can pursue a negotiation with NCT for a debt settlement. A debt settlement is when the parties involved reach an agreement that the borrower will pay less than the original amount of debt. Depending on the negotiation, the debt is usually paid back over an extended period of time with a payment plan. Most creditors would rather be paid a reduced amount in a debt settlement than have you declare bankruptcy and therefore receive nothing. If you are one of the thousands of student loan borrowers being sued by National Collegiate Student Loan Trust or receiving collection calls, then contact me for a free debt consultation. I've been very successful in fighting back against National Collegiate Student Loan Trust. I invite you to visit my website, gamezlawfirm.com, for more information.